In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-refresh your Google Sheets every 1 minute. Let's say you have a spreadsheet featuring a list of stock tickers and their corresponding prices, fetched using the Google Finance function. The data here is dynamic, meaning it updates as the market changes. But to keep it as current as possible, you might want to make Google Sheets refresh itself every minute. Let me show you how you can set that up neatly and efficiently. First, navigate to the upper left corner of your screen and click on the File menu. Here, you're going to find a range of options, but the one we are looking for is Settings. So go ahead and click on Settings. This will open up a new dialog box that offers several configurations you can adjust for your spreadsheet. Within the Settings window, look for the Calculation tab. It should be relatively easy to spot. Once you're there, you'll see a section dedicated to recalculation settings. This is where we have the opportunity to tell Google Sheets how often we want it to refresh our data. Next, focus on the recalculation drop-down menu. Once you click on it, a list of options will unfold. You'll want to select On Change and Every Minute. Choosing this setting instructs Google Sheets to automatically refresh your data every minute, in addition to refreshing whenever changes are manually made in the spreadsheet. That's all it takes. Your spreadsheet will now refresh every minute with the latest data. It's worth noting that selecting this option affects several other functions as well, including RAND, RAND Between, Today, and Now. Whenever these are used in your spreadsheet, they will also refresh according to the new settings. This ensures that all aspects of your data that rely on real-time updates are as current as they can be. Keep in mind that using automatic recalculation can slightly reduce performance, depending on the complexity of your spreadsheet and the number of external data calls it makes. If you notice any performance issues, you might want to assess which functions are necessary to update so frequently and adjust accordingly. And there we have it. Your Google Sheets is now set to auto-refresh every minute, keeping your stock ticker information up to date without any extra intervention. This is especially useful for those who rely heavily on real-time data and don't want to manually refresh constantly. I hope this helps you keep your data at peak accuracy with minimal effort. Thank you for tuning in.